You ever have leftovers but don't want to dirty up a new bowl, so you just, yeah. It's, I made this Caesar dressing. Oh, I finally got a family. I see why y'all like these. Oh, where that water go?
I want to buy the chicken now. Yes? Yes. Why can't I buy the chicken?
I bought it. So I can have the whole chicken.
You show me. I'll take an actual bite now.
That means the chicken was for 2 bites. You bite the chicken in half so you get more chicken with the lettuce. You don't want this bite?
That's like a good bite.
You want it?
But I'm going to decline the offer.
Why?
I want to get my own.
Oh.
No, I know I'm only gonna take one. See?
But why you think I want you spitting your meat back in my bowl?
That's a good question. I don't know.